Pretty much gonna do a quick unboxing right here for these coilovers. This is the brand right here, BFO. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. These coilovers, I hadn't specifically heard about them or seen any YouTube videos about them. So these are BFO coilovers from eBay for E46. I'm gonna test it out on a sedan 325. Close up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these fully out the box, get them all unwrapped, see what they got going. Here's everything that was included in the box. Here we got a little installation instruction manual. Here we got the fronts, adjustments for the rear coils, some wrenches, spanner wrenches, got the 2 rear springs, coils, and then here we have the 2 individual struts for the rear. Who knows how long they'll actually end up lasting for, but I guess we'll end up finding out. I'm gonna be testing them out on my sedan and possibly gonna get another set to test out on my 330 Coupe. Nothing permanent, but just to test out the brand, see what they got going. They have a warranty, so I guess we'll end up seeing how they work out or how long they work out. Pretty much I'm gonna be maxing them out. I'm gonna go ahead and change the top hats. I have some different top hats I'm gonna go ahead and put on there with the camber adjustments. But overall, they look good. Here's a good look at them, since I haven't been able to find any video online of these BFO coilovers. So according to the spec sheet on their description, the fronts are a 8K spring rate and rear 7K spring rate. Pretty much just uploading this to show the quality of BFO coilovers up close, because I haven't found anything about them on any video. So here's a couple up close shots. I'll update you guys in a couple weeks. I'll upload another video. Once they're installed, I'll let you guys know how they ride, how they feel, and show you them on the car. Thanks for watching, guys.